Hello everyone, welcome again to Tech, and today I'll be reviewing a car Bluetooth music receiver hands-free. So today we have this car Bluetooth music receiver which allows you to add Bluetooth functionality to any devices that play music. Unfortunately, I don't have like a non-Bluetooth speaker. I will use a Beats Pill to test the functionalities out. So now we can follow up with our unboxing. Let's see how this goes. Nice little box. Micro USB cable. We have one of those aux to aux male-male adapters, which is going to plug into this device and into our receiving party's device. So I will go through the instructions and be back with you guys shortly. Okay, what I basically did here is I held this little button until the light started flashing, and I do have the BT receiver on my iPad. So let's try to connect to this now. Allow contacts and favorites sync. Sure. Do we have a signal or not? Oh, connected. What a buffoon I am. Sorry about that. You'll notice that my Beats Pill is obviously not Bluetooth connected because that would defeat the purpose of this whole device. So let's try this out. Impressive. This is actually coming from the Bluetooth speaker. And not from the iPad. One thing I don't like about this device, it does have a lot of static noise. Let me show this to you here. Even when this video is playing, I can hear the static. However, I think it's a wonderful gadget for people that don't want to buy a new speaker because they have some amazing equipment at home. This is a great little solution for that. I only paid $2.90 for this gadget, which is extremely cheap. I think it is amazing. Now let's try the microphone functionality. Hello Siri, can you hear me? This is amazing. Overall, I think this little Bluetooth gadget is a win. What can you get? Whoa. So what can you get nowadays for $2.90? Maybe like a black coffee, no sugar, no cream.
Cream is free, sugar is free.
So I would give this a pass for sure. But now let's see what's inside of it. So I just grabbed my handy dandy little knife. And there's obviously a seam here. So this is our outer shell, which is now empty. The button clicks on this part right here. We have our chip and everything else attached. We have a lithium-ion battery, and we have the aux sender. But who cares? It's still an intriguing gadget. So we will put this on the Hall of Fame. Thanks again, guys, for watching. Let me know in the comments if you would use one of these or if you think they're absolutely useless in 2019. Either way, let me know, and I will see you next time. Take care.